Good afternoon guys and welcome back to Cook with Lainey. As it is officially hoodie season again, today I am going to make one of my favourite comfort foods. It is a big hit with me and the entire family. So today we are going to be making a yummy cottage pie. I am going to make this really quick, really simple, that you can whip this up in a matter of minutes. The ingredients you are going to need: some extra lean minced beef. Now alternatively, if you want to make this a vegetarian dish, you can use some corn. Getting the veggies in with some frozen peas and some grated carrot. Yes, I have grated it to get it extra fine so you can hide it in there for the kids or a fussy husband. For extra flavour, we have some red onion and some garlic. To give it that extra bit of flavour, I am using simple gravy granules. I've opted for these caramelized onion ones because I think they just taste so good. Then for the classic cottage cheese topping, I've been extra lazy and I've got some pre-prepared mashed potato that you can pick up in any supermarket, and then some grated low fat protein cheese. You can also pick this up in most supermarkets. I have the oven preheating to 190 degrees Celsius. It literally takes 5 minutes to prepare. Bung it in the oven, you've got a delicious meal for you and your entire family, packed full of protein and will help you hit your targets. Let's get started. To a pre-oiled saucepan, using some of the Fry Light garlic spray, add 3 finely chopped cloves of garlic and a sliced red onion. Season with salt and pepper. Lightly brown the garlic and red onion on a medium heat. As your garlic and onion starts to soften, this is the point at which you add in your extra lean minced beef. Once your meat is beginning to brown, this is the point at which you add in your vegetables, adding in your frozen peas and your grated carrot. Continue to cook on a medium heat. Once your vegetables have started to soften, you add in your pre-prepared gravy mixture. About 25 grams of the gravy granules and about 300 ml of boiling water. Using a casserole dish which is oven safe, I have pre-greased it using the Fry Light garlic spray. Now I'm simply going to transfer the mixture into the casserole dish. Evenly distribute the meat mixture before topping with your mashed potato. I'm being super lazy by using the pre-prepared supermarket mashed potato, but you can simply add your own mashed potato or even add some sweet potato. Using a fork, lightly score the top of the mashed potato. Now it's time to add the cheesy goodness. Now it's ready to pop in the oven to allow the top to go lovely golden brown. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven. Hope you enjoyed my super easy and delicious cottage pie recipe. It can be enjoyed by you and your entire family for lunches, dinners, whatever you fancy. Catch you guys next time.